Hello everyone, back with me again at the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can remove a green screen from an animated subscribe button video in Capcut PC. So here I want to add a subscribe button into this video, but the subscribe button is on a green screen video like this. I'm going to just add it first. So this is the subscribe button. You can see that there's a green screen in the background, and to remove it, you just need to click on the green screen video, the subscribe button video, and then after that go to video and cut out and turn on the chroma key in here. Turn on this and then click on the color picker and drag the color picker into the green screen background, and after that just increase the strength. It's up to you. I'm going to go with 60 and also the shadow. And after that you are done. Here is the result. I'm going to trim it first. And you can always resize the subscribe button like this and put it anywhere you like. Okay, and the result will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.